Hello everyone, my name is Ramkrishna Bhatta and today I am going to paint a portrait. So, portrait is a very classic subject to paint. Many artists have been doing this art since centuries. And I'm going to paint my grandmother today. I used to have very good memory with her. Like we used to go to the jungle with animals, maybe cows, and she used to work, she used to collect firewoods or things like that. And I used to collect nuts and eat it. So that was very good memory with her. And she always loved me as the eldest grandson. So I am very happy. Portrait has been always a big challenge for me. Doing portrait means you need to work many things, like I need to have good proportion, color. As an artist, we try our best to capture not only the physical appearance, but also we need to try to capture their mood or personality. This should be the last photograph of my grandmother. The light is coming from the left side, so she has very bright highlight, but the maybe due to the mobile photography not having very good camera, everything looks white. On the dark side, her eyes are not so visible, so it's a little difficult for me to get that. Basically, I do landscape paintings and animal portraits, but sometime to develop myself, to get better, to understand the different forms of art, I also do portrait, and it helps us to understand the form better. It helps us to get our proportion better. So it's a very good practice. And by reading a book or uh, going through internet, we can also widen our knowledge about proportion, about portrait, like eyes. They generally are in the middle of our head, and space between the eyes, they are like one eye gap between two eyes. And nose, they are about halfway from the eyes to the chin. This can be different according to person, because everybody they don't have similar face, mouth usually falls like halfway between nose and chin, and things like that. So portrait is very vast subject. Like we need to understand the composition, the light and shadow. As light and shadow helps us to define form, and there are so many styles of portrait art according to the medium and their style. Like we can use acrylic, oil painting, watercolor, pencil, pastel color. So there are various types of mediums, and as many artists there are, so many styles they bring with themselves. There can be realistic approach, or impressionistic approach, or abstract style. So I want to grow more, and I want to capture the likeness better. So I am thinking of following the masters, classical portrait artists. Up to now, I have just heard their names like Leonardo da Vinci, whose Mona Lisa is highly popular. Everybody, starting from children, everybody know about that particular painting. And Rembrandt is also very popular. His self-portrait is considered to be the masterpiece, and Rembrandt is also very popular. Many people appreciate his use of color, brush marks. So in the future I'm trying to follow their style, maybe color palette. Like I'm thinking of doing a particular single painting with one of their style, and next painting it could be another artist. While doing painting, we need to aspire for betterment, but mistakes, they are also very precious. We can learn from them. Sometime we may hurt ourselves by comparing ourselves with another very good artist. We should learn from them, but we should compare our work with our own previous work. We should try to get better of ourselves. So this is the final painting. So I am pretty happy with the result. Thank you for watching.